My every hope has turned like a rope that's badly cut. Every door I tried is somehow locked or shut. I keep trying hard, but nothing seems to click. I keep asking God why my life is sick. Why everyone I trust is nothing but a fake. Why every step I take is always a mistake. Why my everyday is made of only pain. Why failures, fears and tears keep coming back again. I'm not really bad. I'm not made of sin. God, why only me? Why don't you let me win? Will this pain never end? Will I never find a cure? Will my life till the end be just a failure? God, why don't you let me win? Why don't you let me win?